Hello, today we'll be doing a Leetcode daily challenge video, that is today's problem 136 single number. Given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. And there is a follow-up to this, so we will get to this later. So let's first understand on how to actually solve this problem. Then I'll go on to the follow-up, that is to use it and do it in O of 1 space. So how this problem goes by is, so every number will appear twice and only one number will appear once. So likewise we see 2 is appearing twice, only 1 is appearing once, so we will return the number 1. So let's get to the walkthrough on how to do it. So if we have something like this, I'll just change this to this one. Okay, so how we are going to do this is, so we have our array, input array that is given to us. We'll create a set, and what I'll be doing is that if there is a number, and if you don't know the property of set, it is that it only contains all the unique elements. Okay, so if we have some duplicate elements, we could remove from it, right? So this property will be useful from here. So what we are going to trying to do is, we will iterate through the array. So at first we get 2, so we insert it in 2. After that again we get 2. So again if I get 2, I will see that in my set do I have 2, and I see that yes, I have 2. So what I'll try to do is, I'll just delete it from my set. This is what I'll be doing. Af- After that I get 1. I'll say, do I have 1 in my set? I'll say no. So I'll insert it into my set. Now as you can see, after 1 there is no element here, we'll go out of bounds. So we'll just come out of the loop and see whatever's at the whatever's in the set. I'll just return that, because that is only because that is the only element that is unique there. Let's just expand this example to something more, and let's say we had something like 4, and let's say again a 1, and again a 4, and something like a 5. Okay, so this example will make this more clear. So what do we do? First we insert 2. We see there is a 2 already there. Now we are here. So what we'll do is, we'll just delete this. We'll not insert anything. Now we'll go to this index, that is 1. I'll see, is 1 there in my set? No. Put it inside. Now I will come here. Again I'll check, is 4 there? Nope, it is not there. Insert it. Again I'll come here and I'll see that is 1 there. I'll see yes, 1 is there. So no need to insert it. Just delete it from my set. So this is done. Again I come for 4. I see, is 4 there? Yes, it is there. So delete it from my set. No need to insert it. Now go on to the next index, which is 5. Again I'll come here again and do something like this. I see 5 is not there, so I'll insert 5, and after that I just go out of bounds. So whatever's in the set, just return that, and this will be the approach for it. So this is the code. I just declared a set, a very basic code. After that I did something like iterating on the array, and I checked if it is present there. I'll insert. If it is not present there, sorry, I will insert it. If it is already present there, I'll erase it. And this is how we find the first element and just return the element from the set. This was a pretty basic code. Now let's get on to the follow-up problem, that is, we just have to use constant space. Here we were using an extra space, right, of hash set. And if you submit this, this will get submitted. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the optimized approach. I'll just delete this and paste the optimized approach that I had written and also submitted it beforehand. So let's get on to the OneNote. Okay. Okay. So the optimized approach will actually be using the XOR operation, and how we will do this. So first we need to understand what XOR gives us, right? So if there are two similar elements, the XOR of those elements will be 0. Just remember this thing. So if there are two similar elements, I will get the XOR as 0. So I have got 1. 1 is represented as 1 0 in binary. Again I get 1 0, right? So what did I say? We just XOR everything, right? So what is the XOR of 0 0? It is 0. What is the XOR of 1 1? It is again 0. If you do not know the XOR property, 1 XOR 0 is 1, and 0 XOR 0 is 0. So these are the basic XOR properties. So now this is 0 0, right? Now this is what we have got up till here. Now we move on to the next index, that is 1. So what is the binary representation of 1? It is nothing but this thing, right? 0 1. So now we XOR these two guys from here. So after I XOR these two guys, what do I get? I get nothing but 1 XOR 0 is what I written here, 1, right? So this is what I've got at the end of the day. And 0 XOR 0 is nothing but 0, so we can just omit this part. So this makes no sense to write here. So what do we get? We get 1 here, and this is what our final answer is. That is what we need to return. It is nothing but the distinct element which has not been repeated, right? So this is what the optimized code looks like. Yeah, it is very small. We just need to XOR everything, and whatever is the XOR, just return it, and you'll get the answer correct. So I've already submitted it, and I'll show you the submission as well. So let's get to here. I'll just show you. Okay, so I've already submitted this code as well. And yeah, this is it for this video. If you liked it, if you understood the solution, do like it and subscribe, and thank you for watching.